Hello, 2023 is here. Would you like to know how you'll be able to get a well-paying job faster? How you'll be able to, build a career you want? A career that you will love. It's one thing you need to know if you are trying to build a career you love or you're trying to get a job that will pay you well. One of the things you need to pay attention to is we are in the digital age. And most of companies, organizations cannot do without digital skills. My name is Ike, and today I will be showing you how you'll be able to build a career you want in this digital age. I want to start from the beginning. Because yes, you may be watching this video and you don't even know anything about tech and you don't even know where to start. That is why I need to start from the beginning. The first skill you need to learn if you want to be relevant in this digital age, the first skill you need to pay attention to is basic ICT skill. You see, the basic ICT skills can open the doors for you. You know, one thing we have come to realize, most Nigerian graduates don't even have these basic ICT skills. Now, every day they are printing their CVs, they are sharing it up everywhere, but they don't have the basic ICT skills. What are these basic ICT skills you need to pay attention to? Number one, do you know how to use the computer very well, like comfortably? If you are given a computer to work, will you be able to put it on, know how to create files, know how to move around the window or the Mac system, how to use the computer very well? And then how to use things like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Can you use them very well? Also, what about Google productivity tools like Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google Drive? Will you be able to use them very well? Because in this digital age, no matter what your role is in any company, believe me, if you know how to use these productivity tools, Microsoft down to Google Sheets, Google Doc, and all these, Google productivity tools, you will be relevant. You will always help that company to achieve one thing or the other. So to get started, the first skill you need to pay attention to if you are just starting is learn the basic ICT skills. See, most Nigerian graduates don't even have this knowledge. Believe me, they don't even know how to use these basic ICT skills. People who have just finished school who want to get a job. In fact, most people in many organizations don't know how to use computer. Start from there. Learn the basic ICT skills. Learn how to use the computer. Learn how to put it on, put it off. Learn the Google productivity tools because it will help you. Learn Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. They are very, very important. Now, by the time you are done learning these things, you can start looking for a job, especially those who look for a job like secretary, customer care, front desk, admin. They will go a long way to help you. But believe me, no matter what your role is, these skills are for everybody and you must learn it if you really, really, really want to be productive in the year 2023. Till I see you the next time. Remember to follow, share this video. Till I see you the next time. My name is Ike. Remain digitally informed.